Welcome back to another video. Today I am working on a Honda Civic 2018. This car has been rear-ended and most of the parts they are broken or damaged or too bad, or the parts are cheap, so must be replaced. The bumper needs to be replaced, the lift gate needs to be replaced, and the rebar. The bumper has a few bolts on the sides and a few clips on the bottom and two bolts on the back. And at the light, once all of these clips and bolts are removed, we can remove the bumper. Once the bumper is removed, I need to remove these plastic to inspect further if there is any more damage. Inspected, there is no more damage, and I need to remove the lights too. At the moment it might not make sense to you guys why I removed the lights, but later on in the video you can see why I removed the lights. There are 4 wires that they are connected to the lights. The lights are removed, and now it's time to remove the rebar. We are going to replace the rebar, and there is no further damage to the frames or anything. It was just the rebar. Once the rebar is removed, I am going to start on the lift gate, remove all the clips and remove all the bolts. We need to strip fully this lift gate, because I need to see if there is any part that is damaged. I need to order it. Remove the lights, remove this plastic on the left gate. Once this plastic is removed, remove all the wires from the lift gate so I can remove the lift gate. The lift gate has 2 bolts in each side that they are connected to the hinges. Luckily for me that the hinges are not damaged, and these hinges, to replace these hinges, are a hell of a headache. It is a few days later. The car has been painted. I received a used liftgate, and now it's time to put it back together. So the painter, he blended 2 quarter panels because of the paint match to the liftgate, and that's why I removed the lights, if it makes sense to you now. My coworker is working, and it's good to have a coworker that can help you. Put all the parts that I removed earlier from the old liftgate. Once the liftgate is done, put the rebar back on its place. 4 bolts in each side. Now I can put the bumper back on. There was no absorbers on the rebars. I don't know why this type of series they don't have absorbers. So put all the bolts back. Once the bumper is done, check the gaps from the bumper to the liftgate. That is good. Now put the light back. The lights are back. Check the gaps. Check the heights. And it is looking good. And the gaps are good. I am happy with the gaps. And I'm very happy how it turned out. It looks perfect. If you have been watching so far, now it's time to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support, and I will see you in the next one.
If you wanna know what it's like, I can't stay here forever, stay here forever. No. Baby, I'm just keeping it real. You hold me down all the way.